Hello students, welcome to our book 3 series, that is the steps to writing. And as we have already discussed about the graph, the factual writing, what it is called as the graphic representation or the information transfer, and one paragraph that has already been written and it has been already uploaded. And today we shall continue that same particular information, that same particular graph, and we have to interpret it in the other way. For your convenience, I have already written on the whiteboard the different paragraph other than that has already been given to you. See here how it has been written in other way, and this is also not the hard and fast rule, or it is not the unique rule or unique paragraph that you should adopt. Rather, for your own, by general using your own words, you can write the information given in the graph, but at least you should follow this so that you can learn how to write a good paragraph. See here, and let me to read you for your convenience. The same information, the words, some of the words are also same, but they have been used here in a different way. And you should learn how to use the words in the different way in order to avoid the monotony. You should maintain the variety so that it will be highly appreciable. See here, when 10,000 people of China were affected by coronavirus in December 2019, the number spectacularly increased to 40,000 in January 15, 2020, just after a gap of 1 month. If we write this or if we don't write this, no problem, that doesn't matter. Then here, just after a gap of 1 month, if we write or not, that doesn't matter, but up to here it is correct. Then another one, as in the hints we find the carelessness during the month January. So it is given here, the carelessness of the people gave rise to the spread of virus, and it affected 80,000 people in China after another gap of month in February 15. See, and however, mark the connective that has been used, and you have to use exactly like that. However, the implementation of lockdown throughout the country helped in decreasing in infection, and the number fell to 20,000 in March 15. Then in order to control its infection, the government implemented shutdown that decreased the number of affected people to 2,000 only. See, the same information but written in a different way. Let us now know another paragraph, how to write with that same information, with the same data. Okay? So see students, for you I have written another paragraph basing on the facts or basing on the information given in the graph. But beforehand, let me tell you that in the previous paragraphs, instead of starting with December, I have started perhaps from November. So you have to see it through thoroughly, because I don't I don't have that particular information or the graph for myself. Just I applied the memory and mistakenly I wrote here. Basically the name of the months are perhaps given differently, so you have to rectify yourself, or you have to just correct them yourself according to the data or the information in the graph you have. And see the another paragraph with a little high standard, and the students who have such standard, basically belonging or coming from English medium background, you can write such paragraphs, or you can write in your own way. No implementation or no fixed rule is that you should write exactly what it is here. You have to apply, but accuracy of the sentences and accuracy of the grammar should be there, and there you should not deviate all those things. See, let me to read it. The assigned graph incorporates us about the number of people affected by the deadly coronavirus in China, and it is evident that 10,000 Chinese were instantly affected soon after its outbreak in December 15, 2019. The same information but given in a different way. And the figure significantly went high up to 40,000. Earlier I had used the word spectacularly, but here I just changed it into significant. So significantly went high up to 40,000 in January 15, 2019. Just after a month in February 15, 2020. the number of affected people soar means here to rise high, to go high. Soared to 80,000 for the reckless attitude against the virus. So instead of carelessness, I just used here another word, reckless attitude of the people, you may write, against the virus. In March 15, the government felt compelled to declare an ordinance. Ordinance means declaration. An ordinance of lockdown, followed by this word should be written. This should be one word. I have let me make it a compound. This is a one word, so you have to know, don't make it two words. So ordinance of lockdown followed by a shutdown in April 15, 2020. Consequently, the number decreased. Number means the number of affected people decreased to 20,000 and 2,000 respectively. See, this is the thing, and I think you have to adopt all such things. I shall assign you a graph, and you have to do it by yourself. Okay. So, okay, students, after you learn how to write a paragraph from the graph or from the data or information given in the graph, now let you practice by yourself. Try yourself how to write a paragraph from the question that I have given to you. And beforehand, let me tell you that in the paragraph number 2, I mean in this particular clip, the previous paragraph may have the mistake of the name of the months. Please rectify them basing on the facts given in the information or even in the graph. So here the question, to make you understand, the graph below shows the number of people affected by COVID-19. The same subject, but you have to write differently. In different countries till March 15. Change the information into a paragraph of logical length. So, you should be innovative because you know that these are not the questions you will find in your annual examinations. That is why I always give you the the innovative ones, because recently such occurrences are going on in all the countries. All the countries are affected by the COVID-19, and that is why I just, in order to arouse your interest, I have given you the questions basing on this topic. So, the graph below shows the number of people affected by COVID-19 in different countries till March 15. Change the information into a paragraph of logical length. Here you have to see the different countries: India, China, Italy, USA and Germany. And here in the vertical line, you will find the number of people affected in thousand. Here you know that in India 10,000 people were affected till March 15, whereas in China it was 40,000, in Italy it was 50,000, and in USA it was 60,000, in Germany it was 30,000. So these are for your convenience. Let me write here the number. It is 10, it is 40, it is 50, and this one is 60, and this one is 30. I have not given you hints, so minimize your paragraph, but it should not be less than or a fewer than 70 words. At least you should reach up to 70 words or more than that, up to the extent of 85 words, and try to write. Thank you all. I think you must be abided by what I have assigned you, and going through the data, the information given in the graph, try to write a good paragraph. Thank you.